Hi all, welcome to our chess learning video series. Have you ever thought that you wanted to play chess but you don't have proper guidance to learn? Or you already know chess but want to refresh your knowledge? It does not matter what your chess proficiency is. Everyone will enjoy our Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes series. In this series, we will cover useful chess topics in each episode. It will be very simple and easy to understand. We will have an interesting chess topic in every video. So let us get started. Let's have fun of 5 minutes chess learning. Here we go. Today we will learn something about chessboard. Do you know how many squares are there in a chessboard? There are 64 squares in a chessboard. It has 8 rows and 8 columns. Here is a chessboard. There are light squares and dark squares. A chessboard is a combination of both light and dark squares. A light square is followed by the dark square, and a dark square is followed by the light square. So it goes on like this. So, how many light squares are there in the chessboard? There are 32 light squares in chessboard. Now, if there are 32 light squares, could you make a guess how many dark squares are there? Yes, there are 32 dark squares. Isn't it easy? So, the number of dark squares is same as the number of light squares. So 32 light squares plus 32 dark squares make it totally 64 squares in chessboard. Now we will see what is a row. A row is a series of squares which runs from the left side of the chessboard to the right. This is a column. A column is a series of squares which runs from the bottom of the chessboard to the top of the chessboard. Here, there are numbers mentioned on the left side of the chessboard, which ranges from 1 to 8. This shows the row number. And you can see alphabets from A to H in the bottom of the chessboard. This shows the details of the column. Each square in chess can be identified by its row and the column details. Now, here you see the algebraic notation of the chessboard, which consists of all the squares. This is just for your information. You need not by heart it. You can see the algebraic notation starts as A1 from the left side corner in the bottom, and it runs till H8 to the top right corner. The algebraic notation of this particular square is E4. Now, let's take another example. What is the algebraic notation of this highlighted square? The algebraic notation of this particular highlighted square is C7. So here is an exercise for you. What is the algebraic notation for the identified square? Keep in mind that you have to note down the column position first and then followed by the row position. Yes, the identified square is in the C column and the identified square is in the 8th row. So the algebraic notation of the given square is C8. Let's see another one. What is the algebraic notation of the highlighted square? Yes, the identified square is in D column and it is in the second row. So, what could be the answer? Should we write it as D2 or 2D? Correct. You have to write it as D2 because the column should be mentioned first and then followed by the row position. So, what is the algebraic notation of this particular highlighted square? Have you found it out? First, think about the column to which it belongs, and now think about the row which it belongs, and your answer will be very simple. So, let's check it. Yes, it is in the H column, and the identified square is in the 5th row. So, the answer is H5. So congratulations everybody. Today you have learned many things about chessboard, and today we saw about algebraic notation which is used widely in chess. And it's bye for now. See you once again in the next chess learning video with another interesting topic. Bye bye.